Hi guys, and welcome to another video tutorial of the Paddy System. This time we'll be explaining the listing screen. The listing screen can help us retrieve vouchers that have been completed, or to search for vouchers by a particular farmer, or to do some reporting. We can also export data, and that's basically it. It should be a short tutorial. So to get the listing screen, we go to the Paddy purchase menu and we just select listing. And initially we come to a blank screen. We have a few buttons at the bottom here. If we would like to search by date, a date range, we check the use date button and we put in two dates, and hitting apply would do the search for us. It would apply the filter, which is what we are doing, and we'll have a list of vouchers that matches those date range. Uh, we have a few columns here: the date of the voucher number, who is the farmer, the trucker, the truck number, the time in. If you notice again, the time is all the same because this is a side effect of simulating the weight, which we are doing in this system at the moment, simulating the weight and time. And we have some checks indicating that these vouchers are complete, and we have one that's incomplete. So an incomplete voucher is not passed over to the payment system. That's a side effect of that, and that will be explained in a future tutorial about the payment system and how it works. If we need to reprint the voucher for whatever reason, if a voucher is damaged or soiled, we can just hit the print icon and we get the voucher again. There's a few other things that we can use to filter the vouchers by. We can use a farmer, and when we select a farmer, this list will change to a list of farmers. And again, for all long lists in the system, a tiny filter box is available to reduce that list. So we have a few vouchers in the system. It's a brand new system, so I'm just gonna try to get this voucher here, voucher number 10, with this farmer. So I just search for Tony and I hit apply, and this will give me all vouchers for Tony within this date range. If I just want to look for all vouchers for Tony regardless of date range, I just uncheck the box and search again, and it is just one voucher, yes, regardless of date range. Okay, so that's filtering our listing. We have two other buttons here that's interesting. Let me get some more vouchers here. And by the way, we can filter by also directly a voucher number. Just put the voucher number here. I must uncheck this. And now I have voucher number 10. Okay, so there's some more fields that we can filter by. Okay, we want to get a couple vouchers, so we're gonna filter from these two dates. No filter, we just want to use the dates, so we're gonna select no filter, just use the dates and get all the vouchers that came in during that range, and we have 4. So clicking the report will give us a summary of these 4 vouchers. So we hit report, and at the top it has summary report, and it has the period for which we are searching for. It has the total weight of the paddy. This is the gross weight. Has average moisture. It has the average cost per ton. And it also has the total that we need to pay for all this paddy, which is 4 truckloads. If you see, its total loads 4. So this is the money that we owe to the farmers for those 4 truckloads. This field tells us in 65 kg bags that 372 65 kg bags is here, is within this date range. This is just a conversion of the figures on top here, the total ton, and on the right we have a little breakdown of how the paddy is spread across hoppers. So if you view the previous tutorial, paddy intake, you will see why it's important to select the hopper. So the hopper can help you manage the mill a little bit better, that you can know how loaded a particular hopper is and how to distribute your paddy. And this bottom table is another breakdown of the hoppers, the amount of tons of paddy in the hopper, the amount of moisture, damage, red, that kind of stuff. So that's the reporting. We can also do a report for a particular farmer. Let's stick with Tony again. Let's see. And he only has one load, but still the system will do a report for that one load. And it's basically the same thing, but it's the same information that we've seen previously. So this document can actually be printed out, and you have the headers here indicating for what date range and for whom the report is. And we have another button at the bottom, get data CSV. CSV means comma separated, I don't know what V means, but it's a comma delimited list. But most importantly for us, it's opened in Excel and it looks like a spreadsheet when we open it. So this spreadsheet will show us, it gives us the same data that we are viewing but in a Excel format. Maybe we want to maintain a separate spreadsheet for different purposes. Well, this spreadsheet can be produced by the system and it will give us all the information that we need. It will have the date of the voucher number, who is the farmer, the price he got, his grade, his moisture, the gross payment, net payment, the truck number. It has a whole host of information. So you can imagine that you have 100 vouchers here, and how helpful this is. It will just produce all 100 vouchers here. You don't have to do any manual input and take 5-6 hours or how long it is to maintain a separate spreadsheet. You can just produce the spreadsheet from the Paddy system, copy whatever columns you need into your main document, and it's easy as that. That's it for our intake listing.